Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me Rajasai. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step that how you can increase your website speed. And you will really love the result when you're going to see the live how you can boost up your website speed. So this website can be for your personal website or your client website. So let me just share you my screen and show you step by step that how you can increase your WordPress website speed with a few clicks, and it's totally free. So let's get started. And if you are new on my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel, so whenever I'm going to upload a new video, you're going to get the notification. So here we go and see you my screen. So this is the website. You can see the coffee house, and we see what is speed of this website right now. So we go to the Google and right here the page speed inside actually. So we're going to see the speed of our website. So click on here, and then here we have to enter the website URL to check out the what is the actually the speed of our website right now. So let me to copy and I paste over here and click on analyze. And right now you will see the result. It is just going to diagnose the performance, and it is we can see the speed in the mobile version and desktop as well. So it is going to take some time. So let's wait, and then here we go. Now you can see the performance is 60%, and we scroll down here. It's going to take 4.3 seconds like that to be loaded. So if we scroll down here, so whenever someone visit the site, you can see the first it's going to show the white blank page, white blank page, white blank page, white blank page, and then here, and then after that it's going to show up uh, the the first page here. So it means the website is quite slow. The performance is 60%, 60 actually, and you can see it's taking so much time to be getting up. It's actually it's going to take some time to be loaded. So how we can get increase this one? So it's so simple. We have to go to the WordPress dashboard. And I forgot to show you the speed actually in the desktop version as well. So if I'm going to click on here, the desktop, and now you can see the desktop performance is 48, and it's quite very low. And here we can see here whenever the website is loading in the desktop version, it's just in the first you can see the blank. So it means it's getting the time to be loaded to show the result on the website. So it is quite slow. So we're going to make it the boost up and speed up our website. So we go to the dashboard here and click on to the plugins, and here add a new plugin. So we're going to add a plugin. It's called the NitroPack, and it's really so amazing plugin. It's actually NitroPack, I think. NitroPack, yeah, here we go. And on the wall, you can see has the 2 weeks ago it was last updated. So let's click on install now. And click on activate. Okay, so once the plugin is activated, we click on the dashboard to the home, and here under the niche you will find out the option for the NitroPack. Let me show you. Here we go. In the settings under the niche you can see the NitroPack. Click on there, and you have to sign in with this one to get that. So click on to the connect with the NitroPack, and here you have to enter your email. And let me to go continue with the Google account. and maybe I'm connected with yeah, with this account. No, no. Let me choose another one. Let me click on the continue with the Google, and let me just select which one is sign in. So here. Okay, so it's going to take some time, and it is just connecting our email with the NitroPack. Okay, that's fine. And we're going to select, we need the free. Click on the free and then click on add. So now it is connecting, and then we're going to see the result. It's still loading. Okay, so before see the result, we need to click on the post the caches, and then we're going to see the result of the website. Okay, maybe we try that. So copy that. So I have opened the private mode, and here I'm going to write the page inside to check the website speed again. And let me to enter the website URL and click on analyze. And now you will see the result. Really, you will like that. The mobile phone version speed was also going to be increased, and the desktop performance as well. So now it is checking, and let's wait few seconds. Sometimes it takes the 1 minute or less. Here we go. You can see it says the performance is 83, and if we see the desktop, and now you can see it's 94. So you can see from 60 to 83, it's not so bad. It's really so amazing, and the desktop became 94. But it's going to take some time. So when you're going to give the more time to this plugin, it's going to analyze your website, and you will see the more good results. So once again, if we're going to click on to analyze, and I have did that already here. If I'm going to open another my mount here, and here you can see the mobile phone performance says 99, and the desktop is 99. It is the mobile phone 89, and then desktop 99. So it's going to take some time, but really it's going to improve your WordPress website speed. And there is another my website. Let me show you. And this is also my client website, and this one. So we're going to improve the speed of this website as well. So let me to copy this website URL right now, and I go to here to write the page inside, and click on to here, and then here we're going to enter the our website URL and click on analyze, and let's see the website performance. And once it's just going to analyze, then we can install the plugin and see the result for this website as well. So now you can see the website has the 871 performance, and if we click on the desktop, and it has 97, and you can see the SEO and the best practice, everything is perfect. Okay, so but here you can see there is the also the blank page when it's going to load. It's just because of the image, and click on the mobile phone, and the SEO is perfect, 98. Then we scroll down here, you will see the little bit more gap of the white page. So let's install again the other plugin. It's called NitroPack. Click on add a new plugin, and here we're going to search the NitroPack. And on the top you will see the NitroPack cache and speed optimization for the core web. Click on install now. And click activate. And then it's in NitroPack disconnect, so let's connect it. If we see, we can find also in the settings here. So click on here and then click on the connect to NitroPack. And I'm going to use the continue with the Google, and let me connect with this one or the sign so. And it's not going to connect, and once it's done, we're going to do some more settings to see, and once it's done, we can check the result. Okay, everything's fine, and it says choose a speed optimization plan yearly. It has also the pro version as well, so it's going to charge you per month $70, but we don't need that. We want to go with the free version, and click on add. Okay, so we have done the I have connected the website already with NitroPack here, and it's give already the optimization mode is look gracious, and then we can also make this strong or the medium or standard like that, but by default we're going to leave it as it is. So it is just processing 2 pages in the background, and let's retry that to see the result. Copy the website URL, and we go to the in the private mode and page insight again, and click there, and again we're going to paste our website URL and click on analyze. And again we have to wait a few seconds. Okay, boom, now you can see the result is the mobile performance is 93 and the SEO is 98. That's really great. And then if you click on the desktop, and it is now 97. So it's really so amazing to optimize your website. Now you can see the result. 93. It's really so cool. And so before it was 71, and after we installed and configured this plugin, and now speed is this one. This is the website. Is 93 in the mobile phone version. So it's really so amazing. You know how website fast is more important these days, because it's going to rank your website easily and get the more sell if someone is going to visit your website. So hope you like this my video, and feel free to subscribe my channel for more such kind of the videos. Thank you, bye bye, take care, see you in my next video.